It was finally Christmas time, the best time of year. The houses were strung with tiny colored lights, their windows shining with warm yellow glow only Christmas could bring. The scents of pine needles and hot cocoa mingled together, wafting through the air, and the sweet sounds of Christmas could be heard in the distance.
Fluffy white snowflakes tumbled from the sky onto a group of joyful children as they sang and laughed, skating on the frozen pond in town. Everyone was happy and full of holiday cheer. That is everyone except for Charlie Brown.
I think there must be something wrong with me. I just don't understand Christmas, I guess. I might be getting presents and sending Christmas cards and decorating trees and all that, but I'm still not happy. I don't feel the way I'm supposed to feel.
Charlie Brown, you are the only person I know who can take a wonderful season like Christmas and turn it into a problem. Maybe Lucy is right. Of all the Charlie Browns in the world, you are the only Charlie Brownies.
Hello in there. Rats. Nobody sent me a Christmas card today. I know nobody likes me. Why do we have to have a holiday season to emphasize it? Thanks for the Christmas card you sent me, Violet.
I didn't send you a Christmas card.
Don't you know sarcasm when you hear it?
Everyone seemed to be enjoying themselves, but Charlie Brown was still sad. I think you have a customer.
Ooh. The doc is in.
I'm in sad shape.
Hold on there, Charlie Brown. I'm gonna need 5 cents from you for my kind of advice. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I love the beautiful sound of cold hard cash. That beautiful, beautiful sound. Nickels, nickels, nickels. That beautiful sound of clanking nickels. Alright, now what seems to be your trouble?
I feel depressed. I know I should be happy, but I'm not.
Well, as they say on TV, the mere fact that you realize you need help indicates that you are not too far gone. I think we better pinpoint your fears. We can find out what you're afraid of. We can label it. Are you afraid of responsibility? If you are, then you have hypnophobia. How about cats? If you're afraid of cats, you have illotrophobia. Are you afraid of staircases? If you are, then you have climacophobia. Maybe you have thalassophobia. This is a fear of the ocean. Or gephobia, which is the fear of crossing bridges. Or maybe you have pantophobia. Do you think you have pantophobia?
What's pantophobia?
The fear of everything.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
You need involvement. You need to get involved in some real Christmas project. How would you like to be the director of our Christmas play?
Me? You want me to be the director of the Christmas play?
Sure, Charlie Brown. We need a director. You need involvement. We got a shepherd, musicians, animals, everyone we need. You've even got a Christmas queen.
I don't know anything about directing a Christmas play.
Don't worry, I'll be there to help you. I'll meet you at the auditorium. Incidentally, I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happened to me every year. I never get what I really want. I always get a lot of little toys or a bicycle or clothes or something like that.
Then what do you want?
Real estate.
What's going on here? Find the true meaning of Christmas when money, money, money. Spectacular, super colossal, neighborhood, Christmas lights and display contest. Oh, brother.
Even his own dog had gone commercial. The thought of the contest made Charlie Brown feel positively sick. Was money all anyone cared about? Charlie Brown couldn't stand it. I've been looking for you, big brother. Will you please write a letter for Gramps for me? You write it and I'll tell you what I want to say.
Charlie was in a hurry to get to the school auditorium on time to play rehearsal, but he couldn't say no to his sister.
Okay, shoot.
I have been extra good this year, so I have a long list of presents that I want.
Oh, brother.
Please note the size and color of each item and send as many as possible. If it seems too complicated, make it easy on yourself and just send money. How about 10s and 20s?
10s and 20s. Oh, even my baby sister.
What? All I want is what I have coming to me. All I want is my fair share. Our director will be here any minute and we'll start rehearsal. Oh, here he comes.
We're going to do this play and we're going to do it right.
Alright, I'm here to sign rules. So, Rita, you're gonna be the innkeeper's wife.
Do the innkeeper's wife have naturally curly hair?
Pigpen, you're the innkeeper.
In spite of my outward appearance, I shall try to run a neat inn.
And Shermie, you're the shepherd.
Every Christmas is the same. I always end up playing the shepherd.
Snoopy was delighted to play roles of all the different animals, from sheep to cow.
Alrighty, Linus, so you're gonna memorize these lines so you can recite them on cue, alright? I can't memorize something like this so quickly. Give me one good reason why I should have to memorize all these lines. I'll give you 5 good reasons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are really good reasons. And Linus, please get rid of that nasty looking blanket. What is a shepherd gonna look like holding a dirty old blanket like that?
Alright, let's have it quiet. Places, everybody. Shrouder, set the mood for the first scene. Cut! It's all wrong. Let's rehearse another scene instead. Pigpen's desk is ruining the missed out my naturally curly hair.
We want a lunch break.
Good grief. There's no time for foolishness. Let's take it from the top again.
What's the matter? Don't you think it's great?
What our play needs is a proper Christmas mood. We need a Christmas tree.
Oh, yes. Hey, perhaps a tree, a great big shiny aluminum Christmas tree. That's it. Get the biggest aluminum tree you can find. Maybe even paint it pink.
Charlie Brown left Lucy in charge of rehearsal and set out with Linus to find the perfect tree for their play.
Gee, do they still make wooden Christmas trees?
This one seems to need a home.
I don't know. Remember what Lucy said? This doesn't seem to fit the modern spirit.
I don't care. We'll decorate it, and it will be just right for our play. Besides, I think it needs me.
We're back.
Seriously, Charlie Brown? Can't you even tell a good tree from a bad tree? You were supposed to get a good tree.
You're hopeless, Charlie Brown.
Oh, Charlie Brown. I can't with you anymore.
I guess you were right, Linus. I shouldn't have picked the little tree. Everything I do turned to a disaster. I guess I don't really know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anybody who understands what Christmas is all about?
Sure, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please. There were shepherds living out in the fields nearby. It was night, and they were taking care of their sheep. An angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them. They were terrified. But the angel said to them, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news. It will bring great joy for all the people. Today in the town of David, a Savior has been born to you. He is the Messiah, the Lord. Here's how you will know I am telling you the truth. You will find a baby wrapped in strips of cloth and lying in a manger." Suddenly, a large group of angels from heaven also appeared. They were praising God. They said, "May glory be given to God in the highest heaven, and may peace be given to those he is pleased with on earth." The angels left and went into heaven. Christmas is fun, and giving people presents and receiving presents, putting up Christmas trees and putting up decorations and baking cookies is so much fun, but sometimes they can move our focus away from what Christmas is really about. And it's about Jesus and how God sent him as a baby here on earth so that one day he would grow up to be the Savior of the world. To save you because he loves you. That's what Christmas is all about, Charlie Brown.
Linus is right. I won't let all this commercialism ruin my Christmas. I'll take the little tree home and I'll decorate it. I'll show them it really will work in our play. I killed it. Everything I touch gets ruined.
I never thought it was such a bad little tree. It's not bad at all, really. Maybe it needs just a little love. Charlie Brown is a little funny, but he did get a nice tree.
What's going on here?
Merry Christmas, Charlie Brown.
Charlie Brown!
His little tree that no one had wanted, and he could hardly believe his eyes. His friends' efforts had transformed it into something truly special.
Surrounded by his friends, Charlie Brown realized Linus had been right about the true meaning of Christmas. This was the Christmas spirit he had been looking for all along.
At last the season seemed 100 times brighter, and for Charlie Brown it was truly the merriest Christmas ever.